The animals gathered for their morning assembly. The mighty elephant, Eli, raised his trunk, signaling the start of the day's adventure.
Today, we embark on a journey to discover the hidden waterfall,
he announced with enthusiasm. The animals cheered, excitement bubbling among the group as they prepared for the trek. Leading the way, Luna the leopard, sleek and agile, navigated the dense foliage with ease.
Keep close, everyone,
she advised, her voice a soft purr. Behind her, Benji, the monkey, swung from vine to vine, chattering excitedly about the wonders they might find.
I hear the waterfall is magical, with rainbows dancing in the mist.
Tara the turtle, wise and steady, suggested a plan.
We must find the shallowest part to cross safely,
she said thoughtfully. Eli nodded, his large ears flapping in agreement. Together they searched for stones to create a bridge, working in harmony to ensure everyone's safety. Zara the zebra noticed movement nearby and froze.
look over there.
She whispered, pointing with her nose. The animals turned to see a family of deer grazing peacefully, their presence a reminder of the jungle's interconnected life.
Let's not disturb them.
Luna suggested, leading the group quietly past the serene scene. Benji danced with delight, pointing excitedly at the spectacle before them.
It's even more beautiful than I imagined,
he exclaimed. Eli, standing at the water's edge, felt a sense of accomplishment wash over him.
We've done it, my friends. We've found the hidden treasure of our jungle,
he declared proudly. Gathered together, the animals shared stories of their adventure, laughter, and camaraderie filling the air. Tara looked around at her companions, her heart full.
This journey has reminded us of the beauty and wonder of our home,
she said softly. As night fell, the animals began their journey back, their spirits high, knowing they had shared an unforgettable adventure.